Hi, dear friends. I am Rachana Khare, your coach, mentor, and friend at Unacademy. And especially for all my dear students who have appeared for the CSEET May 22 examinations and are looking forward to their positive results. या फिर कहिए कि अगर आपने अभी अभी एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोग्राम के लिए एनरोल किया है या फिर रजिस्टर किया है, here is an opportunity, a chance to directly interact with industry experts. I am a partner director at a prestigious CA forum of Chhattisgarh state of India. We employ more than 10 company secretaries and interns. And CS Amit Vora ko kaun nahi janta? He is an eminent businessman, a company secretary, and esteemed faculty for CS executive and professional courses. So come, join me in interacting with Amit sir and find all the solutions to your curiosities. Guys, stay tuned. Check the description box. May 13 at 2:30 p.m. sharp. I'll see you there. Let's crack it.